Today is the 8th of February. We're on top of volcano number 2. This is the start. I'm at my hostel still. We're in Nicaragua. Let's do this thing. Volcano number 2. And we have officially started the hike. This is my tour guide. 2-man trip. But we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it still. There she is. Check you guys out. This is steep now.
And if you're reading this letter, tell my mother and my brother that I love them.
This is what everyone was talking about.
He's got the better blood of my own.
Getting a sweat in, baby. We working. We working.
But he made it back.
Roughly an hour in now. And yeah, we jamming it out. Things definitely more narrow. But what can I say? Shit's moving. Shit's getting done. That's all that matters. We're making progress. One step forward is one step better. Let's go. Let's go. About an hour and 50 in. You can definitely see the volcano skyline is thinning out a bit. Starting to climb again, but we're almost there. We're almost there. Rico. How about what we say? Louis Forces, Cron Hardeno. Pependro. Some mocha. ¿Cómo es mochaccino?
Simono cara blanca.
Sí. We just saw some monkeys. They got scared and ran, but they were pretty.
Aquí, dale, todo es Ometepe, Francisco, aquí, tranquilo, me encanta la vista.
Gracias a Dios, un día este. GoPro died, so I'm recording this off my phone, but I did it. After a full day of trekking, volcano Concepcion, 4 hours up, 3.5 hours down, we did it. Thanks to my tour guide, Francisco, of course, very nice young gentleman.